welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. On the screen are today's shoutouts. Thank you guys so much for your comments and your support. If you also want a shoutout, all you have to do is subscribe, turn notifications on, and comment down below #Chillification Squad once you've done that. In today's video, I'll be making a metallic jiggly slime. On the screen, there's a clip of what a jiggly slime looks like. I'm super excited to make this. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So right over here, I have some Elmer's metallic glue. It is pink. So the way you make jiggly slime is you take glue and add in a lot of water into it. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in some warm water into this bottle. Using warm water is the best because it dissolves easily with the glue. And I'm going to shake it. By the way, this slime should be super pretty because this metallic glue looks absolutely gorgeous. So now that I've shaken up the glue and the water mixture, I am gonna pour it into my bowl. And as you can see, there is literally no glue left inside the bottle. So I do feel like there's a little bit too much water inside the glue mixture, so I'm gonna add in some clear glue. Okay, that should be good. Now that the clear glue is in there, I'm gonna mix this up. Ugh, I spilled some. Now it is time to activate the slime. So right over here, I have a giant activator bottle. This activator recipe is 1 teaspoon of borax dissolved in 1 cup of hot water. And by the way, this is a dish soap bottle. It is really convenient to store activator in. I'm gonna pour some in. I'm only adding in a little bit of activator at a time so that I don't overactivate the slime. It's already coming together right away. Oh my gosh, why do I keep spilling it? Right over here is the slime once I fully activated it. The color is super gorgeous and the slime is super duper jiggly. Texture is also like super weird because the slime is like thick, but then it's also jiggly at the same time. Basically, the slime can't really do much other than poke and just jiggle. So to make it a bit better, I'm gonna add in some glycerin because I feel like I overactivated it a little bit. So I'm only gonna add in a drop because glycerin is super strong. And what it does is it melts slime. So if you overactivated a slime, it deactivates it. This slime is not my favorite at all because it literally does not like stretch. And all it can really do is just jiggle. And it does have some nice pokes though. And by the way, you guys, literally, this slime like matches my nails, which is super cool. Also, the slime kind of got stuck all over my hands, as you can see. Although if you stretch the slime super slowly, it can stretch. So right over here, I have a straw, and I'm gonna test this thing out. So I'm gonna put this straw into the slime, and I'm gonna try to make a bubble. That was so weird. Literally, that looks like a mouth. Okay, that one worked a little bit better. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Guys, that actually worked. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I think that was the best one yet. Another thing that I like about this slime is that it doesn't cloud up so easily. A lot of clear slimes, like if you play with them for like 1 minute, they'd cloud up right away and they get a ton of air bubbles, so they are not clear anymore. Also, I will say this slime really reminds me of like a store-bought slime because like a lot of store-bought slimes can't really stretch and they have this type of texture. So overall, you guys, I think I'm going to rate this slime a 6 out of 10. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and it'd be super duper awesome if you'd subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys, this slime is like a bouncy ball.